When you want to go away from home but don't want to go outside the city, a city resort or hotel staycation is the best option. Another weekend, another staycation. Today we are in Clerk Exotica Resorts and Spa near to Devanahalli, Bangalore. Every 5 minutes you can see flights are going because this is very near to Devanahalli Airport. This is Naveen and Nanda. Welcome back to another episode of Chit and Travel. More than a decades of experience in providing excellence in guest safety, comfort and hygiene, Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa has now upgraded to a newly clinically cleaned standard of hygiene protocol as they welcome us back. It's very cloudy. We are about to reach another 1 kilometer. See on the arrow mark? That board? Hollywood Town, Swiss Town.
Oh.
So we need to go to Swiss Town to reach Clerk Exotica Resort. See, there is an uniqueness in the name as well, right? Place name.
Yeah.
See this? Swiss Town.
Oh, awesome.
Where we need to
Clerks
go?
Exotica.
I think we can go this way, right?
4-wheelers.
This is the entrance, right? See the dome? So after security check, we are entering inside. Right?
Yes.
20 kilometer speed limit.
Maximum.
Nice.
Yes. Love it.
Where we need to go? Go straight?
To the hotel.
Yeah. Oh. Nice, right?
Yeah.
How we can reach there? Is the one?
Think so.
Yeah, reception. I can see from here.
It's a big property.
Yeah, this is spread across 70 acres.
Oh my god.
70 acres. So it is a big property. So some wedding parties going on, it seems. This is the reception, right? Looks so. The reception? Okay, I can park there, right? Okay, right side, right? I need to go down. Okay. So we reach here taking the luggages. So this is the reception area. I need to go there and park the car and we'll be back. Park the car and going to
it's so big.
reception. This is the reception.
I need. Take one.
Welcome drink. Thank you. Take water. Don't want? Take.
Okay. Thank you.
So this is the lobby, the reception area. We need to check in now, right? Come.
Let's go. Should we keep these things here?
This is our luggage.
Yes.
Going to check in now. Nanda, see, these are all the
trophies.
awards they got.
Nice.
See, what is that? European Award for Best Practices.
Clerks Exotica Resort and Spa.
Hospitality Partner, India Travel Awards.
Best Mice Destination 2018.
Wow, so many awards they have, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Like this place.
This is self-declaration form.
Ah.
Sanitized pens. See, everything is sanitized here. See, all the used pens and cards need to keep here.
Awesome sauce.
Third floor. Okay. See, third floor. So we will check in.
Nice.
Then we will go to restaurant and have our lunch. 903. Right? Yeah, sanitizers. See, that is a good one. Open. This is the room. Elegant room. Okay, very nice room.
So cute.
Oh, a big mirror. Yeah. Premium class room. See here, Nanda. There are different options, right? Light will change. If you want to have work light, it's different. Night it is different. Leisure it is different. Master it is different. Now we'll put work. Then very nice, right? And here we have the balcony. Come, I'll show you the balcony. Wow, it's very good, right?
Awesome sauce.
Nice, nice, nice. Since we are in the third floor, we have very nice view from here.
Yeah, and a very scary.
So see our car.
Ooh.
Yeah. So that is the restaurant. We need to go there.
Ah.
Can we go there? Lunch will be available till 3 o'clock.
What's the time?
Come. This is not a top end. We didn't get that because weekend.
Yesterday only we go.
Yeah, this is just a deluxe, but it looks very awesome.
This is more than enough.
This is more than enough, right? Very spacious room. See, everything is available.
Whoa, it's blue light.
Yeah, and this is the washroom.
Okay.
Also very nice. See the toilet face. Bathing cubicle.
Okay, we have cubicle, but no bathtub. Can manage.
Once again, I will show you the room. This is the beautiful room. Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa. Liked it? So let's go and have lunch.
Yes.
It's too late.
Yeah, it's 3.
Oh, about to 3. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So this is the restaurant.
Ambrosia.
Ambrosia.
What?
Come fast.
Yes. What the? It's an automatic door.
Rush.
Yes. Awesome sauce. Carrots.
See, so many items are there. Starting with soup, then
Carrots.
vegetables,
Tomatoes. What's this?
dahi vada, curd rice,
Oh, butter.
fish, tawa fish,
Tawa fish.
chicken, murg, this
Murg.
also chicken,
Murga.
aloo matar tikka, yeah, roti, bread, black bean sauce,
Baked pasta.
pasta, bindi masala, butter paneer, jeera rice. So many items are there, right? Steamed rice, dal,
Last not the least, sir.
rasam,
Keep it there.
kheer.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Everything.
These are all the desserts.
look in that jar full of macaroons.
Yeah.
Honky donkey. Whoa.
What all the things you have taken, Nanda? Oh, trying pasta.
Yep.
How's it?
Awesome.
This is what I have taken. Fish, chicken, some vegetables and some soup. See, the table is separated with the glass.
Yeah. Social distancing.
Social distancing, right? Don't want soup?
Nah, not in the mood. I like pasta.
Got roti.
Which flavor is there?
I'm done. Nanda and Shimi still having. So thought of going upstairs and taking some visuals. Right now they are not serving food here. This floor is closed. See, very nice. This is the reception area, lobby. Here we can see this. We had a very nice lunch. Lot of varieties of items are there. We opted for a package with 3 meals, which includes lunch, dinner and breakfast. Now we will go and explore the property and see what all the amenities and facilities available here. This is a premium class property located near Devanahalli, Bangalore. Done, Nanda?
Yeah.
Enjoyed?
Yeah, my stomach is extremely full that I only had few bites of the desserts. My stomach is extremely full. I can't even eat.
So we will go to a room,
Okay.
change the dress
Okay.
and go to...
Swimming pool.
No, before going to room, just walk.
Ah.
Today we are in Clerks Exotica, Bangalore. Every 5 minutes you can see flights are going
Indigo.
because this is very near to Devanahalli Airport. Nanda,
Yeah.
I will show you something.
Okay. Ah.
Yeah, this is a Greek sculpture.
Oh.
You know the story, mythological story behind it?
No.
This is the famous Greek sculpture. He was a young prince. His name was Ganymede. Actually, the ruler of God, Zeus, abducted him and took off him to Mount Olympus, the god's home, and where he became immortal. He was a cupbearer to the gods, serving them with nectar and ambrosia. Okay, we'll go.
Yeah.
So now you know who is Ganymede, right?
Yeah.
Let's go to the room, change the dress and come back, right? After lunch, we back to room. We are sitting in the balcony of this room. Here we will get a nice view. This is 3rd floor, so we have very good view from here. We opted for full boarding, which includes welcome drink, 3 meals. That is lunch, dinner, breakfast. Lunch was really awesome. We really enjoyed. Now we are going to explore this property. We are not sure what are all the amenities and facilities available here. Let us go and explore now. It's cloudy, right? This is a Greek themed resort.
Oh.
They named all the rooms the Greek name, Olympus, right? Even
Yeah.
wedding party is going on. That is why they decorated. Wow, nice, right?
Yeah.
Haldi ceremony. It's too dark, right?
Yeah.
Oh, see.
Oh, there's the water slides. I'm too scared. Looks big.
Nice swimming pool, right?
Yeah.
Like Palmados.
Yeah.
Palmados, it was not open, but here swimming pool is open.
Oh, water activities.
Yeah.
Awesome sauce. Which is the small slide here.
See, Shibli, we can also use this, right? Huh?
I'm too scared to.
Wow.
Is this only for the water slide or we can get in?
Yo, this is water slide.
Okay.
Yeah. This is for kids.
Okay, I'm gonna get in then. After removing my dress, that is. So,
See the flight.
wow, wonder which one is this now. Okay, it's not named.
So, this is the swimming pool and the sliding, right?
Water slide.
Water slides are available. Nanda is going to try. Yeah. Try.
I've seen this in Little Singapore, except I'm not a fan anymore.
It's easy for you.
If I take the balance,
So this is water slide and the other one is pool. Yeah.
That's the entry. Just check okay, till where the water.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the other side. Come on, we're missing the fun. Oh my god, it's so cold here. That's great. What? No, I'm not going to the water slide. I'm too scared.
No, it's way too scared not to. This is good, I think.
I didn't went like daddy. I didn't went like daddy.
No, Nanda.
What about you, Dad? Dive in.
No.
Come on, dive in.
More.
No, I don't want.
Okay.
I'm done.
Keep it up.
I'll go on second.
Yeah, go.
Me solo. Only solo.
Solo? Okay. You will stuck there.
Water. No one is playing in the water and only in the slides. Is the slide the main attraction? Daddy.
Not a thing, I know.
Daddy.
Don't hold it.
Daddy.
Nanda, be there. Be there. Be there only. There only.
I know what you're going to do. I know.
What?
She just said that. Come on, come. And then you sit in the yellow one. Last page.
Come here, big head. I'm gonna fall.
You. I'm going to fall. You're going to make me the pain. No.
And again, aeroplane.
Hey, look at the wind. Istara. Istara boat. Come on, go. Or else.
I'm going to splash out camera.
Should I?
No.
Yes, buddy. Man, that berry ice cream is still in my throat. So good, but little chemical. But I want to.
I'm sitting. I'm swimming.
There is no hot water. Right?
Yeah.
This is
And
chill
the
water.
climate is very bad.
Climate is very bad. Very cloudy. It's about to rain.
No, it's
Very
not.
chill weather. So we will stop here. Now we will go back to room. Come.
Never. I won't. Okay, you play for some more time, okay?
Some more time, no, lots of time.
Come on, enough. We'll go. Come. This is the bar. Here we can sit and have our drinks. So very nice swimming area. Done with water slides. Enjoyed?
Yes!
So now we'll go back to room. Okay?
Okay.
So there are so many other activities also available here. We will try indoor games and we will come to that play area tomorrow. Okay?
Tomorrow?
Now we'll go back to room.
Room!
So with this, we are ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the upcoming episode of Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa.